No,
90 per shot.
yeah. That's gotta be like almost a 2-shot.
Wait, what if I can see the things from here?
Okay,
I do.
Wait, 2-shot. Uh-oh.
No way.
I'll open it for you. Oh, and get Latia. Oh, do it.
Oh my.
Get Latia.
Bro. Oh my god, I didn't have a sniper in there.
Uh-oh, I'm coming.
Oh my god, it's an NPC. Do you have any? Oh yeah, don't worry about them. Don't worry about the things. The things aren't doing anything. No one of them are an NPC. Oh yes. Oh Jolly, do you have any sniper ammo? Can I have all of it, please? For the explosive weapon.
Here.
Emergency. Ooh. Oh yeah, boy.
Oh yes, daddy.
That's kind of low too much. But 20. Should I stop shooting maybe? Oh wait, he's about to die.
Oh, he's cracked.
Bro, if I could...
He's making it easier.
Oh my goodness. If I could get an...
Oh, no way!
Jolly! Bro!